So this project, Cysur y Sêr, comes actually after a number of projects that Adverse Canberra has worked on around the theme of stars and stories. We got talking about Welsh stories of the stars and whether those stories are still in living memory or whether they've been lost. So it's a project that's really exploring that in a number of different ways, working with storytellers and working with community to see what people make of the stories of the night sky now.
Does dim lot fawr o straeon y sêr nawr yn bodoli yng Nghymru. Ni'n trio dod o hyd i'r hen draftadaeth sy'n cysylltu gyda'r sêr. A does dim lot fawr o straeon sydd yn straeon o'r dechrau i'r diwedd ar gael. Mae yna rai pytiau bach gyda ni. So oedd gyda fi ddiddordeb mewn dod o hyd i'r straeon a eu hael adrodd nhw. A hefyd y rhan yma o'r brosiect sef adrodd straeon Groegaidd yn y Gymraeg a drwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg, achos o'n i'n teimlo fel bod hwnna ddim wedi digwydd o'r blaen.
Mae hwn yn brosiect cyffroes iawn achos mae yna sawl lefel iddo fo o ran cael dysgu mwy a mae hynny i'w groesawu o'r adeg, ond hefyd i drosglwyddo hynny i'n cymunedau.
What has just been so exciting over these last 3 days is hearing each of these individual storytellers working with Greek myths and also their own in Welsh language, telling those stories. And there's so many different things that may come from the project when they then tell those stories back in their communities. So I'm really excited to see what everybody creates from that and how people in the community respond to it. And maybe there are stories there that we don't know yet, but people will tell them and the storytellers will be hearing them.